If you've ever sold bread at a farmer's market and thought, I could actually do this for a living, this is the tool built for that exact moment. Recipe Pantry Pro. Market-ready recipes, scaling tools, and the profit math, all in one place. Let's open the one that started it all, My Market White, a simple, tested loaf. And here's the trap every home baker hits. Your recipe makes one loaf, but a wholesale account or a full market table needs 12 or 24. You can't do that math in your head at 5 a.m. Recipe Pantry Pro recipes scale, cost, and hold up under pressure. Home recipes don't. Watch this. 1 loaf. That's your tested baseline. Now 6, 12, 24. Every gem of flour, water, starter, salt, recalculated instantly, anchored to that one true loaf. No spreadsheets, no sticky notes, no missed salt. And it's not just the size. Toggle to the yeasted version and the whole formula changes. Yeast instead of starter, and notice it even steps the hydration down at the big batches. Because at 6+ kilos of flour, wet dough fights you. That's real production knowledge built right in. Sourdough keeps longer. Yeasted is faster to make. Your call, your business. Here's where most home bakers leave money on the table. Recipe Pantry Pro pulls your own supplier prices and itemizes everything. Flour, fillings, glazes, packaging, all of it. And this is the number that matters. Your cost per unit is $3.81 on ingredients alone, but $8.31 once you pay yourself for your time. If you're pricing off that first number, you're working for free. This tool won't let you. Now the real business model. One Friday mix doesn't have to be one product. It splits into 6. Sandwich loaves, hoagies, dinner rolls, cinnamon swirls, braided loaves, burger buns. And look at the margins. Dinner rolls clear 81%. Hoagies only 12. Same dough. What you make from it matters as much as how much. And it's honest with you. A sensible 3-product Saturday looks like $2.28 on paper, but at realistic sell-through you bank $190 to $200. Variety is what clears the table. The spreadsheet doesn't always agree, but the market does. This is the part that saves your sleep. Set your market open and the timeline writes itself backward. Wednesday seed, Thursday mix and fold, overnight cold retard, staggered Friday bakes, right up to 7 a.m., market opens, you're ready. The clock times stay fixed, only the grams scale. And it tells you the truth about your week. 6 times is a comfortable solo ceiling. 12 is a long but doable solo day. 24 is a 2-person operation, full stop. A tool that respects your real life, not just your ambition. That's Recipe Pantry Pro. It's for the baker who's done playing and ready to run a real operation. Market, CSA, wholesale. If that's you, you already know. Come bake with us.